It's Christmas time and you need batteries. And in this video, I got the battery for you for all your toys, your flashlights, anything you need for this Christmas. Check it out. It's Christmas time, and what do you need at Christmas time? You need batteries. Check this out. So this is by Powerowl. Now, I've done videos, and I'll put a link in the description field on these other batteries that I did a little review on. These are 9-volt batteries by Powerowl. This is this charger. These are rechargeable, AAA and AA's. These are cool because you can actually charge them on the same AAA and AA at the same time. So those are cool. And then I just got these CR123s. Nice pack here. I'll put a link down in the description too in Amazon where you can pick these up. Got a 10-year shelf life. That's pretty cool. They're basically lithium. These are not rechargeable. I know some of you like some details, so let me show you some details here. See it in the glare there. Not rechargeable. So let me open this up and let me kind of show you the battery. Alright, so it's just your typical CR123A. Being a black battery, it's a little bit difficult. Being a black battery, I will say it's a little bit difficult to read some of the details that's on there. It's a lithium type battery, but it's not rechargeable. Some good information there. So regardless of your toys, your tools, your flashlights and things like that, Powerowl makes a quality battery. The noise was my dog running in. They make a quality battery. And like I said, I'll put a link down below so you can get these batteries. There's all kinds, this size here, then there's the 9-volt, the AA's, AA's, then there's also other sizes like your C's and D's and things like that. So make sure you pick up your batteries for Christmas. Jeff Frozen Hot Homestead. See you, bye, have fun.